Let's start with companion object. So what is companion object? To understand, let's say we have a class. The name of the class is car again. Okay, so in this class we have one variable, let's say var count. Okay, count equal to 0, and we have a function also, get count. Okay, so here we are printing the value of the count. Now if we create one variable, if we create one object here, let's say car equal to car, then what we can do, we can call the function get count using this instance, correct? So this is an object, so using this object we are calling the function. But let's say you want to call this function without creating any object, using the class name itself without creating any object. So then what we can do, we can wrap this code using companion object, this two keyword, and let's copy this from here and paste it here. Okay, so now what will happen, see, now here no need to create object. Okay, just take the class name, then use dot operator, then you can call the function. See, so like this, if we want to call the function or you want to access the variable, let's say dot count, see, we can also access the variable directly here. So if we want to do this thing, then we use this companion object. That means it becomes like static field, static function in Java. So if you are familiar with Java language, then this is what, if we want to we can call any static member using the class name, okay, directly. So here this count and get count, these are becoming like members, static members of this car class. That means no instance is required, that means no object is required to call. So this is called companion object. Okay, so this is called companion object, and for companion object, see, only one companion object per class. That means you cannot copy it and you cannot paste it here. If you are changing the variable name, let's say a, okay, instead of get count, let's say something, okay, but see, still it will show error. See, this is showing error. Only one companion object you can give in one class, and this companion object, these variables belongs to the whole class. So whenever the program start, the object memory will be allocated here, but it will not destroy, it will only destroy when the class is destroyed. Okay, so the this variable life cycle is same as class. Okay, so whenever the class destroy, all this variable will destroy. Okay, so this is called companion object. You can give any property, function, interfaces inside this one. Okay, inside this one we can give variable, function, any interface like that. So this is about companion object.